In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add page numbers in Bluebeam. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to make your page numbers look clean and professional across your entire PDF. First, open your PDF in Bluebeam Revu. If you already have Revu open, you can use File and Open, or simply double-click your PDF to launch it in the app. Give the document a quick glance to confirm you're working on the correct file and note whether there are margins or footers where numbers will fit neatly. Next, head up to the document menu, choose Header and Footer, and then click Add. This opens the header and footer dialog, which is where all the page numbering options live. You'll see a preview area along with fields for the header and footer. Think of the header as the top of the page and the footer as the bottom. Each area typically has left, center, and right positions, so you can place the number exactly where you want it. Now, insert the page number in your desired location. Decide whether you want it at the top or bottom and whether it should align left, center, or right. Then click Insert Page Number. You should immediately see a placeholder appear in the preview showing you how it will look. If your document has a tight top margin, the bottom right or bottom center is often a safe, readable choice, but pick what best matches your template or standards. With the number placed, adjust the font, size, and formatting to match the style of your document. Click the font settings to choose the typeface, weight, and size, and adjust the color if needed. Aim for a size that's easy to read without distracting from the content, something that's visible at a glance but not overpowering. If the number looks too close to the edge or overlaps any content, increase the margin or offset in the dialog so it sits comfortably on the page. Keep an eye on the preview as you fine-tune these settings so you know exactly how it will appear. When everything looks right, click OK to apply the page numbers to all pages. Bluebeam will update the entire document at once, placing the numbering in the location and style you selected. If you notice something that needs tweaking after it's applied, you can return to Document, Header, and Footer and make adjustments using the same steps. That's it. You've added clear, consistent page numbers in Bluebeam Revu with just a few clicks.